you're learning three things. You've got the physical. You've got the physical aspect of it, which is putting your fingers in the right place. The yoga bit that you've got to bend your fingers to the right thing. You've got the ear and the timing and spotting things on the record, which is totally separate, but can sometimes trigger the chord change, trigger the physical. You hear something that makes you move. So your hand goes to E because your ear hears something to tell you when to go to E, but you don't have to say play E because it's the next thing in the progression because the physical has been doing this. Does that make sense? And then finally you've got the theory, which is like the chord shapes. What's the shapes and all that? No, it's all right. You can spot the shape. You only got to see the shape, and your fingers go to the shape, as opposed to going, what was the E? Then there's the E shape, and then I say, is that the third string or the second string? And if you can see the shape, put your fingers there. But understanding the visual shape. I say theory, but it's also visual as well. It's seeing a diagram and being able to translate it straight into the physical. And when you play it, your ear goes, you've played it right because it sounds right. You don't play when you put your fingers in the right place. You don't know you've played it right because you know your fingers in the right place. You play it right because it sounds right. You know your fingers in the right place because it sounds right. Do you see what I mean? It's the way you organise that process is quite important on becoming more fluid as a player.